The center of the circle x square plus y square plus x minus y equals 7 is A 1 comma minus 1, B minus 1 comma 1, C 1 over 2 comma minus 1 over 2, D minus 1 over 2 comma 1 over 2. Answer D. Given u equals 3 comma minus 2 and v equals minus 2 comma minus 1, the vector 2u minus 3v is A 12 comma minus 1, B 0 comma minus 7, C 12 comma minus 7, D 0 comma minus 1. Answer A. A line passes through P minus 2 comma 1 and is parallel to 2i plus 3j. Its vector equation is A r equals 2 comma 3 plus t times minus 2 comma 1, B r equals minus 2 comma 1 plus t times 2 comma 3, C r equals t times 2 comma 3, D r equals minus 2 comma 1 plus t times 3 comma 2. Answer B. If u equals I plus 2j and v equals 2i plus 4j and w equals 5i minus j, which of the following is u dot v times w? A 0, B 10i minus 2j, C 5i minus j, D 50i minus 10j. Answer D. A constant force of 16 Newton is applied at an angle of 30 degrees to move a cart 10 meters. The work done is A 300 joule, B 600 joule, C 300 square root of 3 joule, D 600 square root of 3 joule. Answer C. The cross product u cross v for u equals 3i plus 2j plus 5k and v equal I plus 3j plus 6k is A minus 3i minus 13j plus 7k, B 3i plus 13j minus 7k, C minus 3i plus 13j minus 7k, D 3i minus 13j plus 7k. Answer A. Vectors u equal I plus 5k and v equals 10i plus 3j minus 2k are A parallel, B perpendicular, C neither parallel nor perpendicular, D the same vector. Answer B. For u equals 6i plus j minus 3k and v equals 2i plus 3j plus k, the area of the triangle formed by u and v is A 10 square root of 5, B 5 square root of 5, C 20 square root of 5, D square root of 500. Answer D. The angle between v equals 2i plus 3j and the vector I is approximately A 56.3 degree, B 33.7 degree, C 90 degree, D 0 degree? መልሱን የዚህኛውን ጥያቄ ኮመንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። ኔክስት ላይ የቀረንን ቬክተር ላይ የክሮስ ፕሮዳክትን ዶት ፕሮዳክትን እንዴት በቀላሉ እንደምትሰሩትና አፕሊኬሽኖቹን አብረን እናያለን። ያልገባችሁ ነገር ካለ ከነዚህ ጥያቄዎቹ አሰራሩ ማየት የምትፈልጉት ካለ ኮመንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። ቪዲዮ ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ አትርሱ። መልካም ጊዜ